Hello everyone, we are going to see about TypeScript decorators. TypeScript decorators are a powerful feature used for adding metadata to class, methods and properties. They allows you to modify or extend the behavior of class, methods or properties during runtime or run compile time. Here's a detailed guide on how to use decorators in TypeScript. And the first decorator is class decorator. A class decorator is applied to a class declaration and can be observed, modify or replace the class definition. Now I will show you the code. Function class decorator extends new and we want to return class extends constructor new property. Add class decorator class creator. I want to give the property and then I'm going to console log. Now if I run this, see we are getting class 1 and the property is property hello as override and new property as new property. Like this the class decorator will work. Next we are going to see about method decorator. Method decorator is applied to a method declaration and can be used to observe, modify or replace a method definition. For that function method decor method decoration I say that I'm going to give a target as any property key string descriptor property property descriptor, and then I'm going to console log method decorator call down target property key descriptor. Next class my class at method decorator my method return hello world. Now if I call this new my class dot my method, if I save this and if I run this, now if I run this, see I am getting method decorator called on, and my name is my method, kind is method. Like this we will get output. Next we are going to see about property decorator. A property decorator is applied to a property declaration and can be used to observe, modify or replace a property definition. For that function property decorator target any property key console log property decorator called on. Now if I run this, see I am getting property decorative called on. Like this we will get output. The TypeScript decorators are a powerful feature that allows you to add metadata to class methods and properties by using decorators. You can observe, modify or replace the behavior of your TypeScript code during runtime or compile time. Thank you.